Hello, I am doing readback number 2 of my 15 minutes of speed building, and I'm beginning now. Oh, this is for external use only, period. She's a specialist in internal medicine, period. The meeting was held in the Oval Office, period. She's not very maternal towards her pupils, period. Prenatal care is vital to the health of the child, period. Has the locale for the local art show been chosen? Question mark. The local yokel wants one more morsel of your delicious pie, period. It's futile to try to travel without having confirmed hotel or motel reservations, period. Several juveniles were at the hospital to see the boy who was hurt at the intramural games, period. The morale of company personnel was low because of the immoral conduct of their past president. And now we're going to the next portion because it is combined portions. The chairperson pounded the gavel as the final portion of, which I messed up because I forgot my F and of, and I just put O, of the very educational seminar came to a close, period. But I messed up right here because I added an S to my period. So I use an asterisk to end the period. The title of the seminar had been Ethical Conduct on the Job, period. All sessions had been quite motivational, period. The first portion of the seminar confirmed the covered, sorry, I knew I messed up and I couldn't figure it out, covered the importance of professional, and I messed up right here because in my N I didn't have the T. So professional conduct toward clients, period. Unprofessional conduct, comma, the speaker explained, comma, was liable to lead to hostile clients, comma, bad, except I spelled that wrong, bad debts, comma, or even a libel suit, period. The second stage of the seminar explained the importance of being low loyal to your company as well as your company being loyal to you, except you see that I put an E instead of the O, period. Oh, even if you think your, I messed up, so I used the asterisk, your manager is a scoundrel, comma, be civil and professional, period. You can be critical without causing turmoil, without causing that's what I did, personnel. So personnel, I spelled that incorrectly. Personnel problems or internal turmoil, period. If your company and I forgot the S for prospers, so I made a correction, prospers, comma, you should too, forgot the O, so use the asterisk too, period. Always do your job as best you can, comma, and look out for your company as well as for your personal paycheck, period. In this fatal, no, sorry, final session, comma, the panel had explained the professional and moral obligations workers have to one another, period. If a personal or personnel, I spelled that wrong, it's supposed to be OR, problem causes trouble with coworkers, comma, it's not fatal, period. They should just, no, yeah, it should be just, but I put Yoast, J-U-S-T, it's J-U-S-T, be honest and level with the L, I used a P right here, L, level with one another, and that's supposed to be AOT, period. It's natural, and I forgot the N, I put natural, to have some differences, period. Don't quarrel, semicolon, talk it out, period. Don't act juvenile, semicolon, be a professional, period. All right. So now we're going on to the last section of this readback. And here we go. As the colonists moved westward to settle the new lands, comma, they left many reminders behind, period. Old wheels from stage coaches can still be found, period. A circle of stones from a long dead camp, spelled that wrong, I put campfire. Campfire can be, sorry, hold on, can be revealed, and it said revealed by the blowing dust, period. An old kiln from a mining town may still be intact, period. The cattle drives left their traces, period. The bleached and brittle skull of a horse, of a lost steer can be seen now and then, period. An old elm that shaded a pioneer or rustlers or was, that's what I did wrong, or was used to hang a rustler still stands, period. Even the last traces of an old saddle have turned up, period.